My name is Shady BTC. You're watching Degen Power. On my last video, I stated that I'm gonna be doing the comparison between Swift trading bot and maestro bot. Okay. Let's compare the two bots and see which of them is better or which of them is faster, which of them has a better less fee, which of them is more better for trading, more user interface, which of them is better off. We're trying to compare the both of them to see the features between the both of them and which of them is the advice to use. Okay. Now, okay, this is the Swift trading bot, as you can see. This is the Swift trading bot. Let me get the maestro. Let me get the maestro bot. Okay, this is the maestro bot, as you can see. Yeah, okay, this is the maestro bot. So okay, this is the maestro bot. They say I should configure. Let me configure it. They say I should be a member of the channel and be able to use maestro bot. Okay, let me join the channel so I can be able to use the maestro bot. Let me join the channel so I can be able to use the maestro bot. Okay, I'll also join this one too so I can be able to use the maestro bot. Okay, so now let's get down to business. Okay, I think I've done this already. So what are they now? Okay, I've done it already now. Group use. Okay, this is the last one. Now the next thing is snipe. Okay. So once I've done, I should do what? Okay. I already joined the. Okay, I haven't joined this one too. I've joined already now. I've joined. So why didn't I tell me that I've not joined? I've joined already now. Why is now misbehaving? You haven't joined. What the fuck? See that I haven't joined. I've joined. You see, the abilities we are talking about malfunction. The boot is actually malfunction, as you can see. So now I haven't joined when I've joined already. Okay. Let's use my second account. Let's use my second account. Okay. Let's go down to business. This is the maestro bot and this is the. Oh, my trade. Oh shit. Trade. The more reason why I don't want to use this boot. I don't want to use this boot at the moment. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work out actually. The maestro sniper boot. I don't know why it's not working. Why it's not working? Be a member of this. I've been a member. I've already joined. I've joined this. I've joined this. I've joined this. I've joined this. I've joined this also. I've joined this also. I've joined this also. So what's now the issue? Okay, I haven't verified. Oh, now I get. Oh gosh. I was actually the one that was causing the whole thing. I haven't verified. That's why. Okay. I think I'll. Okay. Now we are good to go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for the delay and everything. Now we are back to business. Okay. Now I want to do comparison between the maestro bot and the Swift bot. This is the maestro bot. For the first time, this is what you're gonna see if you click on the maestro bot. As you can see, maestro bots, wallets, core channels, pre-sale, copy trade, code mode, premium, and FAQ. Okay. Now let's see. Look at the wallet. As you can see, for the user interface, this is BSC, this is Ethereum, this is app, this is BSRG, this is Ethereum RG. Okay, this is for maestro bot. Now let's look at for wallet. Then let's look at Sweetboat. Does it has it? Does Sweetboat has it? I don't think it doesn't. It doesn't. Okay. Well, let's check. This is what the only one that is in Sweetboat is just the BSC, Abitum, and Iteru. So for the EAG or whatever they've been called, it's not here on the Sweetboat. Okay. Now the next thing is on the same boat. The next thing is let's go back. Let's look at core channels. Okay. Mr. Boat has a core channel whereby, let's say, where you can be copying trade from. Okay. Now, this is a core channel on Mr. Boat. You have your, this is me, the one I pasted on my own. This is Scraper. On this core channel, whenever a call is being pasted there, the Mr. Boat buys automatically. As you can see, you can just set up this one now. As you can see, you can set it up just the way you are setting up your wallet. You can set it up tag, multi-wallet, auto buy, auto sell. So that whenever they paste something, whenever they paste a CA on that particular channel, it will automatically buy. The bot will automatically buy it. Understand? Okay. And the setting you set here, if you set here that you should buy automatically, the bot will automatically execute the command which you gave it. Okay. Okay. Then where are we? This mystery bot has core channels. As you can see, this is Caesar, this is Venom, this is Goblins, this is Goblin, this is Abito, this is Mad Apes. This Mad Apes can be taking calls from Mad Apes can be taking call from Mad Apes and a lot of other core channels too. You can be taking call from, as you can see, Bossy, Safer, there are many, a lot of them. Understand? Flash loan can be taking call from Flash loan, and there are many of them. Okay. Let's see whether this this Swift has caution. Okay. As you can see, there is nothing like caution here. It doesn't have a caution. So these are under plus to the mystery boat. Okay. Then the next one is the next feature is mystery boat is the next feature of mystery boat is this thing. Where are we? Oh gosh, man. The weather is cold. The next feature of mystery boat is pre-sales. Okay. Here you can buy pre-sale. You can automatically buy pre-sale. Let me see. You can configure. Okay. You can just add a pre-sale. Just add a. Let me see. Abitum is doing pre-sale. You can just add Abitum here. Okay. Set up on the BSC wallet and buy pre-sale in zone. Okay. You see, you must set up the BSC wallet first and other things. Okay. Let's see if Swift wallet have it. Oh, Swift wallet doesn't have pre-sale, so and that's advantage. Okay. The next thing is another minus, not disadvantage. The next thing is God mode. Okay. This one has God mode. Okay. Let's see if Swift boat has it. Okay, yeah, Sweetboat does. It does. It has its own God mode, but it's not called God mode. It's called Snipe. This is the God mode. This is the God mode in Sweetboat. Just like they have the God mode here. It's called Snipe. So you can snipe liquidity. You can buy even when the liquidity is not yet added. You can just snipe in, and when you add liquidity, you just automatically buy. You can see you can just snipe liquidity here. Click on it. You just snipe the liquidity. If you add a delay block you want, which is a 0 delay block, one delay block is 3 seconds, so depending on the delay block you want. So in 3 seconds your boat should buy, or in 2 seconds your boat should buy. If you put 0, that means automatically means the day is added liquidity, your boat is buying. Okay. So and you added the slippage too, because the slippage matters also in sniping liquidity. Okay. So it does. So it's a 50-50 for the boat. And the next thing is copy trade. Okay. Let's see if Sweetboat has it. Yeah, Sweetboat. I think Sweetboat does. It has copy trade. I think it has copy trade. It has copy trade. Yeah, it copies. So you can copy trade for somebody from a Wales wallet or anybody I know is good. You can copy his wallet and be copying the trade the person is trading with the bots. Okay. Now the next thing is sorry, the next thing is now is okay, premium. Subscribe for premium, the paid version where you pay higher. As you can see here, I think you pay another $200 per month or so. For these maestro boats or sweep boats. Sweep boat is totally free. You understand? They really charge you for the transaction or the trade you perform. Okay, totally free. And sweep boat is from what they research so far is they said is more cheaper than the maestro boat. Though I can't say for now because um uh, I'm using the both of them, but they have not charged me yet for sweep boat. That's using it recently though. But that's what I observe when it comes to the things you have to look at for this boat. The two boats is the fastness and the this thing. What do you call it? The fastness and these important features, which is copy trade, tracking, and other things. Okay. Now, when it comes to fastness, I think sweep boat. I think it's ahead of maestro boat, considering the fact that maestro boat has a mass adoption. You understand? It has a mass adoption, which actually helps to slow it, which actually contribute to slowing it down. Why sweep boat it doesn't have as much use as maestro boat. Okay. Then when it comes to tracking of trade, I use it to maestro boat. Maestro boat can tracks your trade better than sweep boat. You track, all you just have to do is just click on monitor. It will start monitoring all your trade. But sweep boat has, I think they on that aspect they are lagging. They're lagging. I've tried to perform two trades with sweep boat, and tracking the both of them at the same time has also actually proven to be headache or to be hectic rather. It has this kind of it's not actually responding the way I actually wanted it. So when it comes to tracking both trade, it gives to you give it to maestro boats. Okay. Then the next thing we are looking at here is sniping up liquidity. Both of them are performing it, and fee. I think maestro boat is cheaper compared with sorry, sweep boat is cheaper compared with maestro boat. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So and both of them basically they're all the same, but maestro boat is a bit cheaper. Sorry, sweep boat is a bit cheaper and a bit faster compared to maestro boat. Okay. Okay. Thanks for so much for sticking to the end of the video. For those who are interested and you want to hit me up, want to shout me up, want to wish to me, just slide down YouTube channel, you see my link, or slide down on this video, you see my link. My link is added on this video. You can just shout me up on my WhatsApp channel. I mean, there's cold. The air condition is very, very cold. That is why the room is cold. Sorry for the way I'm acting. Actually, you can just hit me up, shout me up on. I also take people on tutorial. I teach people on. I mentor people. I teach people DeFi, digital trading, cryptocurrency. For those who are interested in subscribing to my class, it's a paid class actually. It's paid. It's a paid class. Okay. Also, for those who doesn't have money, you can just hit me up. You go on a loan, you go on the loan package whereby if you don't have the money, because I noticed that most beginners don't have the money, you understand? They don't have the money. So you can just go for on loan. We train you free of charge. Sorry, we train you on loan. So once you start making money, you just pay us back. Just pay the fee for your training. Okay. So if you want to pay back, fine. If you don't want to pay, it's left between you and your God. Okay. But to me, we didn't do anything bad, so I didn't see the reason why you want to do us bad. I'm just here to help you. That's what I'm here about. Life's about helping each other. Life is too short, so I'm here to help the little I can. I expect you to reciprocate. For those who are actually interested in subscribing to my classes, just hit me up and slide down, hit me up, so you can subscribe to the class. Thank you. See you in the next video. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much.